Good afternoon, ladies. This is a tutorial on how to use the 4x6" recipe template. We want to open the PSD file, which I'll have the link available down below the video. Once the file is opened, we want to go where it says Add Pattern here, and we'll double click that, and this is where we're going to add our pattern. I need to bring a pattern in I previously downloaded, so I'm going to open a seamless pattern. I need to go to Edit, Define New Pattern. Then I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. I'm going to double click on the pattern overlay, open the pattern, and then I'm going to resize the scale down to 16%. And I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to File. I want to save the smart object. Once saved, I can close that out, and this brings us back to the template. I want to change the color of the rectangle, so I want to go to the next layer above. I want to click Color Overlay. I'll select the color box, and then I'm going to bring my cursor over to the background and select white. You could select a yellow, kind of go pale, or you could get creative and pull one off the box. I'm going to come back and get the white. I'm going to click OK, OK, and there you have it. It's as simple as that to create the recipe. We need to go to File, Export as PDF, and click Save, and this will save it to your hard drive. Excuse me. And then if you want, you can click File, Export as a JPG, and use that then to copy and paste onto a full-size page to print 2 per page.